Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Mining Engineering by Satyabrata. In today's video, we will see the engineering application of Microsoft Excel.
Welcome everyone. Before going into the engineering applications of Excel, we will first discuss about what is MS Excel. Excel is basically a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft and it has different applications like data organization, calculations of data, data analysis and interpretation, visualization of the data, and collaboration of data using Excel to some other applications and web services also. Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about a basic but very important topic, and it is cell addressing. Basically three types of cell addressing are there: relative cell addressing, absolute cell addressing and mixed cell addressing. So what is relative cell addressing? Here in the column B quantities are there, in column C the rate are there, and suppose we want to find out the amount at the column D, we can use the relative cell addressing. Here across the different rows the quantities are changing and the rate are also changing. So all the quantity and rate are changing. So we will use simply B4 cross C4 and we will just drag it out. So now we got what is the amount of the particular quantity depending upon the rate, where the rate is also changing across the different rows. So in the relative referencing, the cell that we are addressing or we are referencing, it is also changing as per our requirement. Next we will discuss about absolute cell addressing. Suppose we want to convert the dollar currency to our Indian currency, and suppose the currency conversion rate is 70. So here for all the different dollar currencies that have been mentioned at the column G, the currency conversion will be constant for all of them. It will be 70, that is mentioned in J3 cell. So here we will use absolute cell addressing for using the currency conversion. We can do like this, equals to G5 cross J3, but across all the values of different currencies of US dollar we will fix the currency conversion rate. So we will use the dollar symbol. Then we can drag it out. Now we can see at the different cell values the corresponding dollar values like G5, G6, G7, G8, it is changing, but the corresponding conversion rate that is we have stored in J3, it is constant. So this is the absolute cell referencing. Now we will move to mixed cell referencing. A two-dimensional array is there. In the column L, the quantities are written, and across the row 5 the different prices are written like 10, 20, 30, 40, and in that particular table we want to find what is the prices like across the quantity and the corresponding price. So let me just delete this one. So the quantities are written in the column L. They are changing across row wise, but the column is constant. So we will fix the column L, but we will not fix the row. So we will write it as, we will fix the column. So you use the dollar symbol before L. We will fix L, but we are not. We don't want to fix the row. So we will write it simply as 6 cross. Now we are going to multiply it with the price. The prices are written from M4 to P4. Here the row that here the row, that is 5, sorry, it is written from M5 to P5. The row 5 is constant, but the columns M, N, O, P, that are changing. So I will not fix the column, but I will fix the row. So I will write M, I will use the dollar symbol before the row, that is 5. Now I got my result 1000. Now I will simply drag it out and later we can cross check it. So as we can see, across the row it is L6. Everywhere it will be written as L6 across the row, but the corresponding prices M5, N5, O5, P5, it is changing. We can also see it in the column also. At the column the prices is same, that is M5, but the quantities it is changing L6, L7, L8, L9 and L10. So today we discussed about the cell addressing. It is one of the basic feature in Excel, but at the same time it is quite very important, because using the cell addressing we can use a lot of different features, functions effectively and efficiently. Thank you.